Hi everyone, this is a video about this variable speed rotary detail carver. Normally they are selling this as a nail polisher or manicure and pedicure sort of grinder, but this one it just says variable speed rotary detail carver. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side, and from the top and bottom, made in China. And here let's read what it says. It says 9-volt adapter that it comes with this, variable speed from 3000 to 20,000. If you believe that, you are on your own. And then double bearings design. We are going to open this and I'm going to show you the inside. And then it says easy to use in any position, accepts all rotary tool accessories, and then lightweight design for precision operation. And the collet size, it doesn't say anything about this, but is normal size bears that you can use. And on the other side it says multi-use, carving, engraving, routing, grinding, sharpening, sanding, polishing, drilling, and more. If you believe any of these, again, you are misled, because this unit is so cheap and so weak that with a little bit of pressure on the tip of the bear is going to stop. Anyhow, I'm going to get everything out and we talk more. Inside the packaging and the box, you are facing with all of this. It comes with 6 different tools, and it's not bad for the price. And the price of this is varies from $6.99 up to $7.99, and is something that is handy if you want to do light jobs, not very heavy duty ones. And then is the instruction manual. That is, you can stop and read this if you like, but I don't take any of these seriously. It's not much to see. Let me just see if we are staying in focus. That is all there is. Nothing on the other side. I will put this aside. And then it comes with a very cheap looking adapter. That is 9 volts, 300 milliamp. Is it? 800 milliamp hour. And the cable is really thin, and I don't think is going to have any copper or any substantial wiring inside there. Anyhow, is just not bad for the time being. And this is the unit itself. You can just lock the tip of this with this and then open it and put whichever bear that you like inside. We are going to open this anyway, and we are going to have a look. It's good that you can change this if you like. And this is the on off, and then a speed, variable speed, and just a jack to connect your 9 volts adapter in there, and that's really it. Let's demonstrate how this one operates, and then we are going to open this and see what is going on inside. So here everything is connected right now, and I can hear a buzzing noise from the 9-volt adapter. And if you look at here, you can see what I was talking about. It says Manicure and Pedicure. So this unit designed for the nail, but it says you can do all those good things, engraving, drilling, and all of that. So now first let's turn it on. This is the toughest speed, and you can just stop it like so. And for just fun, we attach one of these to this to see how strong this one is. And for the purpose of this video, I just have a piece of plastic here just to see how we can do something to this. We go higher speed. It's not bad, it just performs with this little and it's getting hot very easily. So this was just a demonstration, and now I'm going to open this and see what is going on inside. In order to open this, there are 4 screws here, and we have to unscrew the top and undo the bottom, and then we can open it. Let me just open this and I show you what is going to find inside there. So when you open this, it's just easy. Just unscrew the top first, and then unscrew the 4 screws that they are situated in these holes, and then undo this button. You have to just pull it away, or with a spudger just separate it from the body. It's not screwed. And then you face with this. It's very interesting that it has a bearing here. It separates this rotary shaft from the body without causing any sort of friction, at least kind of friction. And then it's just press fitted without any sort of Allen screws or something. The design could be better. I just don't do it. I just don't put it together, and I wanted to show you what is happening here. And without all of this controller, speed controller, maybe it would be much stronger than what it is at the moment. And what is this controller here? There are no writings on that, or at least I cannot see any. Oh yeah, there are some. So this is the module, and we have a 2 resistor and 1 capacitor, and then 1 volume, a speed controller, and then the connection. And there is no writings on the motor to see how strong this motor is. but whatever it is a brushed motor. And this one is just, I don't know how they have put this inside here, because it's press fitted and I couldn't get this out anyhow, but it does its job. And this bearing here is really, they really spend some sort of time to just make this a better one, but it's just letting, the motor is letting it down. Anyhow, this was a video about this nail polisher or carver or driller or whatever that they call this. I do not recommend this, and if you are going to buy this, I advise you to pay a little bit more and then buy something under £20 or £15, and you would be much happier than this unit. But for a little bit of not very heavy duty jobs, this one is not bad. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed my video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.